All right, here we are visiting Vermont as my son is about to be deployed. And we drove by and look what we found right on the lawn. It happens to go, I guess, with a cafe art center. So this is the lawn display for the center. It's so pretty. All welded together. Metal and welding. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Look how it's designed with the legs. And of course with the patina of the rust for being in the elements. Kind of adds another dimension to it. But boy, take a look at these faces. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Very nice. Lovely picture. Isn't that neat? Look at that. You can see all the legs. Hi.
You guys like that?
Oh, it's beautiful. Just beautiful.
It's called, you know what it's called? It's called Cosmic Tango. Cosmic Tango.
Cosmic Tango.
Hyper strong. Wow.
Oh, isn't that nice? We're all the way from Maine. Yeah? Huh? Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. All the finger details and everything. Oh, look at the stand. Isn't that beautiful? The patina of the rust, beautiful on it.
Down there.
Isn't that beautiful? All the welding and everything.
I know, and I love the angle. That's from somebody else.
Oh, isn't that lovely?
So where in Maine are you from? It's by like Stampede, Waterville area. Yeah, I've been at that before. Yeah.
Yeah?
Come on, baby.
Neat. Beautiful. All right, hope you enjoyed my bringing it to you. Beautiful. Nice.